All right, you were purchasing this Underwood standard typewriter. Not exactly sure how you test it, but as you can see here, I'm pushing some buttons, and those are working. Things seem to be moving. However, I am selling this in as is condition. Someone who knows a little bit more about typewriters than me can be able to figure it out, but there it is.